Everybody find a seat. If you were on time, you're late. Take out your books. Open to chapter 2 on hair dye. If you're a quitter, leave. If you give up easily, leave. I'll wait. This process will test your strength mentally, physically, and emotionally on another level. Now, for those of you that are still here, you're going to need BW2 bleaching powder, 40 volume developer. Write this down. This will be on the final exam. And for every 1 part bleach, 2 parts developer. Mix that all together and your consistency should be creamy. Not liquidy, not solid. We're not making pancakes. Creamy. You're gonna need to saturate that hair. Get into each and every strand. Make sure it's coated. This is very important. You don't want 1 part of your hair to be black and 1 part of your hair to be blonde. That's not what we're here for, people. Luckily for this class, I have some example footage. Roll the clip. As we can see from the clip-ins aren't blonde yet, but it's a step in the right direction. Does anyone know where we went wrong? You. No. You. No. This is simply not good enough. There's nothing wrong with this. Sometimes you need more steps in the process. So you know what? We're gonna do it again and again and again until we get it right.
second time. A lot of the smaller ones came out really, really light, and the bigger ones came out like a little bit darker, probably because there's just more hair on the weft.
Now we're getting somewhere. The next step is to tone these. The toner will take out some of the reddish hue that's still left in the clips. You're gonna need the Wella T18 toner. And for this particular set of hair, I used 3 boxes. Now again, we're gonna go back to that classic formula of 1 part toner, 2 parts developer. Some people may try and tell you to use a lower volume developer. No. 40 volume developer is what I had in the house, and 40 volume developer is what we're gonna use. Now you carry on with the classic spreading on to the clips, wash them, rinse them, let them dry overnight. Congratulations, students. You've successfully finished your course on Hair Dyeing 101. I expect all of your reports to be on my desk by Thursday.